talking about, officer? I just got home.
What have you got to say to the devil?
Right, I know, right?
You can't say nothing, can you?
I said, look, I got June on speed dial. You better settle down.
Kidding, tomorrow is Halloween. Or no, it's Friday. Friday's Halloween.
I think it's Friday.
You know, it's funny. How do you see Halloween? I mean, we thought we'd have a look at what Halloween is.
I probably see it the same way they do when they were a kid. Just
the kids.
free candy, you know, that's the only thing I
That's
would
the
do.
only thing that kind of stands out,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
Get to know your neighbors a little more if you have kids. Yeah.
There's a neighbor handing me beers.
For me, I guess it's one way I can celebrate, or I can have a look at, you know, the different personalities that I act out daily. Let's say, for example,
Are you making anything vegan?
that's fine. I mean, it's just,
Okay.
yeah, cut it into strips like that. Yeah, that's fine. How do you experience that? It's okay.
What do you mean?
That what you're doing right now.
How do I feel about it, or
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never really done this before.
And now?
It's cool.
All right. Great. Broccoli. We have the chopped garlic. And we have the zucchini to be sliced also for the pasta. So we put 1/4 cup of the rice pasta noodles that we cooked. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put about 2 cups of the pasta sauce. It's basil tomato sauce. It's not black yet. Hey. So our fettuccine, we're gonna add a little bit of this to make it black.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like,
we cannot get a squid. Okay, that's as much as we can get for now, but that will be for our pizza.
Still looks like a good Halloween color.
Just put the if you want some tomato, you can also put. If you want some bacon, you can put it there. But here's the deal.
How do we do this? Put it on the whole pizza or half of it, or?
Let's say like
Let's
this.
divide the pizza dough.
Where's our?
It's actually a good idea.
Ooh, I know. We should divide it with pasta noodles and each one make our own part of the pizza.
June, we should divide the pizza and let each one do their own.
Oh, very good idea.
So it doesn't melt over. And then, like, if you want to, like, use like the pasta noodles to mark.
One garlic chopped in this sauce made with rice, pasta, and what kind of sauce is that?
What sauce? We're just making it, and I don't have a name yet. And that's 1/2 cup of red bell pepper and about 4 leaves of Thai basil. We're gonna add it to the tomato basil sauce that we got from the store here. Okay. Okay, how many are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh? The girl? Okay.
No,
Do
Antonio.
we have another
Antonio.
one of those crusts?
Yeah, we do have another crust. We do have another crust. Who's going first?
Ladies first.
All right, these 4 here. All right.
Oh, that works.
Going everywhere. Don't forget the cheese first. But if you like it,
Any
on top,
order.
I like the
there
cheese
is
on-
also
Put the cheese
Parmesan
and put all the
cheese on
vegetables.
top.
Ooh, yes.
You know,
Cheese,
the
definitely.
Parmesan cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think everybody's going with
There's
that.
2 kinds of cheese, mozzarella and Parmesan.
I like
And
both.
you can season it now with salt because that I don't think there's enough salt. So it's up to you.
Oh, there's spinach also?
I'm definitely
And
putting
this is
spinach.
basil. If you like basil, get it there. This is spinach. So that's Leon there in the police hat. And this is our Halloween dinner. This has no salt and no added sugar. They made their
What is this
pizza.
one here? This apples?
This is apples, jicama, and persimmon in a horseradish dressing.
That sounds delicious.
This one here is our primavera
I'm going to feed a
pasta.
spoon in here. So
And this one is, of course, the blue
I think
chips.
what we need to do is like get some more
And this doesn't have
bigger spoon,
salt
serving spoons.
or sugar. I just marinated it in pineapple and some pears and some orange rind and lemon rind. With this, it doesn't have any salt, so put some salt in.
If we need it.
If you need it, because and how much you really like it to be salted, because I did not put any salt in. Where is the mozzarella cheese?
Chico's pizza don't need that.
Here, the mozzarella. And don't forget there's a salami.
I feel like I'm at Buca's.
All right.
Pizza.
And,
Buca.
but
Buca
just
pizza.
leave the others. Okay. And you share alike.
It's a happy pizza.
Oh yeah. Where's that?
Do you have cheese to put on there? Oh.
I'm like totally melting cheese on top of it.
Leon?
Put 2 of mine.
Good. Should have chopped my bacon up first.
Mine to
Yours too?
just attack it with cheese. It's all
So
good.
what are y'all doing from
Is that
two different
enough?
angles?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Leon?
That's good.
Are you just doing it from 2 different angles?
I guess.
Tell me when.
Here's an alternate view of that.
Tell me when. Okay.
That's gonna be hard to tell the difference apart.
Everyone just like,
One's from the right, one's from the
I
left.
love cheese on my pizza.
You like cheese?
Yeah, me too.
More cheese.
Yeah.
Just like, just put more cheese
I'm
there.
gonna just kind of like give mine a little bit more of a helping hand here.
Hope we can eat it.
No.
Why can't I cook it here?
I'll use a fork.
Some more cheese. I know this is gonna be like one of those pizzas that you have to use a fork and a knife to eat.
that's okay.
Do you have
Those are always
any
the
butter?
best ones.
I'm
Yeah.
definitely gonna get some of that.
Yeah.
Just a
I'm a
little
cheeseaholic, so
Yes, let's. Every corner of my pizza.
yeah, you're just gonna like.
Which one?
Well, if I stare at the ingredients on them, if I were to go what order I put what in, what went where.
So, some dough.
So that's Leon there in the police hat. And this is our Halloween dinner. This has no salt and no added sugar. They made their
What is
pizza.
this right here? This apples?
This is apples, jicama, and persimmon in a horseradish dressing.
That sounds delicious.
This one here is our primavera
I'm gonna just leave a
pasta.
spoon in here. So
And this one is, of course, the blue
I think
chips.
what we need to do is like get some more
And this doesn't have
bigger
salt
serving spoons.
or sugar. I just marinated it in pineapple and some pears and some orange rind and lemon rind. With this, it doesn't have any salt, so put some salt in.
If we need it.
If you need it, because and how much you really like it to be salted, because I did not put any salt there. How's your pizza?
It's very good, thank you.
Did you put salt in? Oh, good.
I think this is probably the latest cooking class we ever had, huh?
Huh?
8 o'clock. This is probably the latest cooking class we ever had.
What's up with this pizza here? You put some salt? You just
I didn't put salt on the pizza. I'm not putting
Oh,
salt in
which
there.
one?
I only put salt and pepper on my pasta.
Pasta. What about the? that-
This is good by itself.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, great. Did you put salt on your pasta and
I did.
your
Salt
what
and pepper.
about on that fruit?
No, just the pasta.
Cheese itself is
The
delicious.
fruit with mayo, yeah.
No,
You did not put salt.
No.
It's okay by itself.
I haven't tried it, but I wouldn't think to put salt on it.
You like it?
Fine with me.
Okay, great. So,
pizza's so
what
good.
did you put some salt in your veggies? Pasta.
Hey, is their pizza done?
No? What about in that? Is it okay? Even with it? Okay, great. So Leon, it's vegetarian. So here's your plate.
I don't need it.
You don't need a plate. It's very hot. So Leon, did you put salt in the?
Not yet.
But you will.
Yeah.
All right.